Menteri Rangba Kejela Ukanrat Sangma, Habakrench Kilat Pathai KHUBOR hadirin balakut ke kabinet, ula pentip Lai Ngut ki Trai par Dewiong, kilayo jingmenjur bat Kila Sdang ru banti iu Dewiong Katkum ke Jingstad Saian. Menteri Rangba ulayat huru, badon ki he officer jangka Ministry of Coal kibelawan menjurib, bat kila penpau ya ke jinghun ya ke rukom banti iu Dewiong. Shushu ula pentip paladon sakhat ngut ki Trai par kibelajan yo jingben ban sedang ke kam. Bun ni kitrai par Dewiong, kidi ni kithan jaintia but West Khasi Hills.
We have been approved and given a full mining operation clearance, which means they've started mining, they've started extracting coal, and there are of course certain issues which are now left in terms of the transportation of that coal. But mining of the coal has started in a scientific manner, and as I mentioned to you, Coal India has come and seen it, and they're satisfied with the the Coal Ministry has come in and seen it, and they're satisfied with the work, where the work is going, and we are moving forward. I don't have the exact numbers with me on the exact position, but as far as the latest information is that about 11 more mines are just on the verge of getting the mining opening permission. But I don't know the exact status of that, but matter of maybe a month or 2 months, we will be able to see another 10 to 11 miners getting permission to start the scientific mining. I don't have the breakup, but mostly from East Jente Hills and West Khasi Hills.